Hi there, Reese from Plumbdog. Just going to put a small video together and have a little chat about water meters and some of the unnecessary difficulties some plumbers go through when attending a property when a client doesn't happen to know where the water meter is. So what a water meter shouldn't look like is this. Water meter should be visible and readily accessible. So in case of emergency, it can be isolated, found and isolated. And obviously, if you call one of us out to do some work and we need to shut it off so we can do some work, that work can be done. And just another friendly tip. I'll go next door here. Generally speaking, wherever the hose tap is, water meter will be in line with the hose tap. As we can see, there's another one here, almost camouflaged, but at least it's not buried. But then if we go back over to here, we'll see that this scenario is a little bit different, because we have the water meter on the right hand side of the property, but in this case the hose tap is on the left hand side. So that doesn't always fare. But it's always a good idea to know where your water meter is and have it readily accessible.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you're notified each time we upload a video.